if you guys have not known me yet. This will be my first ever tutorial video, so I hope you will look forward to see it. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make a short comic strip. So let's do it! When making a short comic strip, firstly, you have to write your ideas for the comic. Do the basic of writing where the settings is, imagine the theme you want to put, and add the characters that you want to be part of the story. Once you decide on the idea, you write a script of it. Second, start up sampling with simple panels to choose which panel sequence fits your ideas. Take your time choosing this one. Third, while doing that, you are now sketching what the characters are doing, objects that you want to put there, and sequencing the dialogues in the panels you chose. Remember to base your sketch from the script you made. Fourth, start doing the line art by using the sketch you made. Add some details in the drawings if you like. Fifth, you can now start coloring the comic, from the first panel to the last, and even off the panels. Lastly, make or add a title that fits your story, and after that, don't forget to put a watermark or your name so the reader can know who made this comic. I hope you guys learned something from it, also enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all guys soon.